Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to disable Life360 tracker without anyone noticing. Now we have different approaches. The first approach is to simply go and open the application, and once you open the application, you should go back and open the settings of your iPhone, then go to privacy, just right here. After you go to privacy, go to location services, then go and click on the first option, location services, then go and toggle this option off. Once you toggle this option off, click on turn off. Then now you should go and click on the Life360 application. Then I want you to click on this location permission off, click on it, then click on text any. And another solution that you can actually do is to simply use an application that is called iMyFone. So you're going to download it on your PC. Then you're going to pair the mobile to your PC, to the same PC that has the application. Then click on trust. And once you click on trust, you'll have to enter the passcode. Once you enter the passcode, here you can see this interface. Just click on the teleport mode on the top right side, this icon right here. Then choose anywhere that you want to teleport to. Then you can also search for a specific place by clicking on the search option on the top left side. Then tap the move button and you will be moved from this section right here. So click on move and you're all done. This is before and this is after. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.